Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Good to be back with you. It's been a while since I've done a video with you. So today we're going to talk about our auto spa detail department here at Fisher Honda Acura in Boulder. We've got 5 fantastic technicians that can do the work for you, and we've got 5 fantastic bays all equipped with various equipment and cleaning equipment and buffers and those kinds of things. We've got an awesome menu, spa menu here that I'll go over real quick what we offer. We've got interior, exterior detailing. We've got express detailing, which is a cool thing when you come in for service to have your normal routine maintenance done. We want to talk about that because we can get it in and out on the same day. Then we have the headlight restoration, and we of course offer a complete full detail on your vehicle. So whenever you come in, you want to talk to your service advisor about what we offer in our auto spa detail department. And also, when you find us online, you can just call us up, we'll get you scheduled in, we'll get that vehicle cleaned. Any time of the year, summer, spring, fall, you name it, we're here for you. I look forward to seeing you, and we'll want to take great care of you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.